All right, just dropped the O2 CRV off to get the oil change. Over here, see where I'm at. And then over there, there's a creek. I saw fish in there a few months ago. Let's see what we can catch. All right. A little bit of construction going on. Don't fall. I don't know what we're going to be able to do up here. Well, I can see the bait fish swimming around. I'm going to have to go down, guys. A little murky. A bunch of little minnows. Look around, let's see what happens. Oh, getting tagged, getting tagged. Alright, alright. Oh, bird nest. Good one. Alright, we're back. So this is the little guy we're throwing right here. I'm going to put my brakes up a little higher. 3.5. Oh. All right, let's go. Tag, tag, tag. They're tagging it. Oh, it's a bluegill. Oh, God. Oh, tag. They're on it, guys. It's not too much fun when you can see them. I feel them biting. So they weren't committing. Nothing was big enough to bite over there. Let's go check this side. I don't want to go through the mud, but I want to get over there at that clump, whatever that is. Let's go in. See what happens over here. Got a tug. They're biting. They're biting. All right. Change this up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Oh, missed it. Oh, got one. Finally, one on the board. All right, let's get him out of here. With the slime on the hand that you just caught of the fish, wipe it on your lure. See what happens. Oh wait, we gotta get this snare. Hold on, we gotta let that one go. Yeah, these little BFS bait casters, they're fun. Definitely fun. Oh, that was a good one. There, nice. Oh, there we go. We're on. We're on. Oh, there he goes. There you go, catch and release. Oh, off the wall. Bank shot. So the problem with casting down this channel is if the lure's in the air and it hits either one of these walls, it'll mess with the spool timing and bird nest. So keep it low and thumb on it. If it hits the wall, keep your thumb on it. That should help with the bird nest. Should. Still gotta catch a fish though. See that hit the wall? Yes, I'm still learning this. Come on. Get in here. Stay on, stay on. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, we got a catfish. What the heck? Pretty aggressive in here then. I have never caught a catfish on a lure, let alone a crankbait. All right, let's see what happens. We need the trifecta. We need a little bass now. We need something else. Oh. Oh, another cat? Oh, shoot. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. A little bigger. You definitely don't want to get spiked. I don't want to hear no shit, it's the same catfish. This is the other side, I think. Damn, buddy. Got you right through the whisker. Hold on, let's see. Oh, you'll grow. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Okay, okay. All right. We'll get big brother. Wipe the slime back on your lure. Whatever fish you catch, just wipe it back on there. Yeah, nice. Okay. All right, we're getting a little bigger. Foul hook. We're now fishing from the other side. We're gonna have to rely on stepping on these toolies to get across. Toolies are... Alright. Right here's as good a time place as any. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come here, boy. Come here, little guy. Ooh, there we go. Come on. Very nice. Here's a little bluegill sunfish. Oh, right off the bat. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, nice. Put a little. This guy's pretty aggressive in here. Just remember, the slime you get on your hand, wipe it back on your lure. You can see him chasing it. I think that's a cat. Oh, that's a catfish. I think that catfish can smell that bluegill. See him? Those are catfish, guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. They're still biting, but we still got all that to check. Plus, there's a lot of action right here. All right, let's see over there. See tons of bluegill, tons of minnows. It'd be too easy to catch these guys. I don't want these. I want to cast over there still. Life going on in here. I think I saw. Looks like some bluegills are about to bed there. Back there, I think I saw a bass one, but you never know. So it looks. Let's get a couple casts here, and we'll go there. Something big went straight at it. Bass? It's pike? Something big is in there. That was a bluegill. Come on, we need one more species of fish. What the heck? Ooh, nice. Little bluegill. Get some slime on the lure. Get some more slime down the line, whatever. Another catfish. Wipe the slime on them. Wipe the slime on the line. Nice, all right. Let's get back in there. See what happens. Come on, come on, come on. I'll go that way. I'll go around that corner. We'll see wherever we're at. But as long as if I'm getting my oil changed, I'm gonna be fishing these. Changed. And this will be the fish mobile for the summer. The plan is to get the kayaks on top and then hit up little islands out there in the delta.